Righto, tell you there champs. Now today is a very exciting today because I have one of the ultimate gaming laptops right here, and I've owned this laptop and it is amazing. Not this one, the last model, this is the new model. And you know, being an owner of the previous model, it was just such an awesome laptop. I mean, can it get any better? Well, we're going to find out. I'm going to compare it to this beast here too. It's not getting any better than this, right? This Zephyrus is amazing. 3080 Ti, i9s, all the good stuff. So these two laptops are going to battle it out. But what is this laptop? Of course, it is the Lenovo Legion 7 Woof, or you can just call it the Legion 7, I guess. Yeah, and the rule here at Telio Tech is if it comes in a box unopened, well, we've got to unbox it. And as I said, I owned the previous model of this and it was such a great laptop. I owned the Intel version. You can get AMD versions of these as well. The only downside to this laptop, well, the last generation, was the battery life. Like, it was adequate, it was fine, but the AMD version had better battery life. But the Intel version had other, you know, advantages, Thunderbolt and just other stuff, whatever. We'll get into that anyway, but this is the new one. Now, in terms of gaming laptops, it doesn't get any better, right? These are the ultimate ones. What is this? What is this strange thing right here? What is that? Well, talking about weird stuff, what the hell is this? This is some sort of customization of the keys there. Some, you know, keycaps, some membranes there, or, you know, mechanisms there. The tool to change the keys. What on earth is going on? That is just crazy. And, you know, when you get a big boy 300 watt, you know, power brick there, this is serious stuff, okay? The thermals on the last one were out of this world, like excellent. You know, you're talking top of the tree here. You're talking, you know, these, the GE76 Raiders, the Zephyrus, Alienware M17. These things output the most amount of watts, and this one is no exception, with that being one of the best in terms of wattage output. Good display. The last one I had, you know, the 165 hertz display. I don't even know the specs of this one at the moment, but I think it's chock-a-block. I think it is the top tier spec here, because they usually send out that. And of course here, stay tuned for the Zephyrus battle. So yeah, let's unbox it. I sort of miss this laptop. I sold the last one, sort of miss it, and they're good because they don't look like gaming laptops. A lot of gaming laptops look like spaceships and stuff like that. But this one here, you know, this could be in the office. No one would know it's a gaming laptop, right? Premium, you know, premium metal build there. It's not too heavy, you know. Of course it is beefy, chunky, you know, it's the best sort of gaming laptops you're going to get in terms of thermal performance. You know, these things, you hammer them all day long, no problems. And yeah, you have to pay a price. But I mean, compared to what they were like a few years ago, these things are pretty, you know, thin and light compared to the old ones. Ooh, Saturn display there, it looks like. Look, you can get this stuff from Lenovo. Congratulations on your purchase of a Lenovo. Here, there's a code for you. Get onto it. But yeah, all the memories are coming back of my Legion 7. This one has just got all the new parts, of course, you know, Thunderbolt. We have HDMI 2.1, I assume, at the moment. Right, so here it is, the beast. And yeah, so as I said before, one of the best gaming laptops. And how do I know? Because I own the last one. I don't even have to tell you the thermals are going to be good and the performance is going to be good, because I already know firsthand. Now, I will say that keyboard, wow. And not just the feeling of this keyboard. So I am going to have to mess about with this thing. You know, I don't know what's going on there, but it's pretty cool. But yeah, the keyboard is amazing. Lenovo keyboards are amazing always, and this one is, wow, it's actually better than the last one, I've got to say. It has to be changed. You can see there the RGB. I love the RGB on this. Like, it's one of the best things about it, the underglow. And you know, you can turn it on or off, you know, it's up to you, but it looks so cool. And you can put it in stealth mode when you need it to be. And 165 hertz display, so this is one of the best displays, I think, for compromising sweet spot. It is sort of like that, you know, matte sort of satin finish there. and it is whatever 1600p display. So I really like this display. It's one of my favorite displays on gaming laptops. So I do really like the display. This is the same sort of display I had on my last model of the Legion. So I cannot wait to compare it to that Duo 16. And what specs does this thing have? It is loaded. It is chock-a-block. We're just talking about, you know, an i9 and a 3080 Ti Woof. It doesn't get any better than that. And I can't wait to get stuck into this, and just using this just makes me miss my old one. And I'm thinking, if I'm going to get another gaming laptop, I mean, the fact that I bought the last model just proves to you how much I do like these Legions. And yeah, hopefully the battery life is a little bit better. I know the performance is going to be there. It's going to be one of the best performers. So I already know that, but we will find out, of course. So stay tuned, and yeah, happy days. Oh, cannot wait to compare it. Wolf, catch you in the next one. Tally ho.